So, hi everyone, welcome to Cloud Trip. This is your host Amitabha. So, today we are going to learn about the AWS Global Infrastructure. So, how we are going to know how the AWS infrastructure actually looks like, what is the difference between AWS region, availability zone. Because what I feel is that many of the cloud architects, they're still confused between what is the difference between those two. And by the end of this video, I'm hopeful that I'll be able to make you understand what is the difference between these two, and you won't get confused in interview or in practical life. So let's get started. So this is the AWS global infrastructure that you are having right now. So you can see, so there are around 20 regions that are having. So what is region? So you can think region as a geographical location, geographical isolated location. So for example, India is having Mumbai region. So Mumbai region, it's not a data center, it's a region I'm talking about. So for example, South America is having a region. North America is having, there are multiple regions located in North America, AWS. And you can also see in the Europe, because Europe is a geographical location, but there's several regions. Because it is just because of the number of users that are using AWS. So you can think again as a region, as a geographical location. It's not data center. Region is not a data center. Region is a geographically isolated location. For example, India, we have region Mumbai, AP South one, that is. So in this slide, you can see that within a region, we're having 3 or more availability zones. So what is it, or availability zone? So AZs are basically the collection of one or more data centers. So AZ is also not a data center. So what do you know? So AZ is a collection of one or more data center. So AWS basically abstracts us from the data centers. They don't tell us the data center, they tell us the AZ. So a region can have multiple AZ. It can have up to 5, 6, 7 AZs. Okay, a region is a geographically isolated location. Within a particular region, for example, Mumbai is a region. Within Mumbai, we're having 3 AZ. So in this slide, it's beautifully explained. I think is the best slide of the of this discussion. So a region, as I've said, is a geographical location. AZ is a collection of data centers, and basically all those AZs within a region are connected together by a low latency resident fiber connectivity. So what it makes is that the connectivity and the latency between those AZs are very fast. So the latency is very low if they're having high bandwidth connectivity between those availability zones, and also the data that is being transferred. You need not worry about the data transfer, because the data transfer is happening in a private network, and basically the data transfer is happening in an encrypted format and within the AWS backbone. So you need not worry about how the data is being transferred. And so yeah, that is it. So if someone asks you what is region, what is availability zone, I hope you will be able to answer them, because region, geographical location. So a region can have 3 or more AZ, and AZ is a collection of one or more than one data centers. So that is it. Thank you, and take care of yourself. Thank you. Bye. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel Cloud Trip and share it with your friends.